God, man, please give me my eyesight back. I know I've done a lot of bad things. I've seen a lot of bad things.
We all, yeah.
They like my eyesight. I didn't think I would value. I didn't think I would appreciate that I had sight.
Yeah.
When I was blind, and then I started doing like a little bit of body workouts in there because I was like, man, I got to get my mind off of this. And then I started getting my eyesight back, and I was like, yeah.
That's tough.
Yeah. And then after that, like after I even got out the hospital, 30, 45 days later, I went blind again, relapsed. Went back to the hospital.
What they say? Why is it doing it?
I don't know, man. I don't know why. That doctors didn't even know why. Plus, they couldn't even say that it was because of the vaccine. Because during that time, the doctors say they get fired.
It's A plus. If you everything, they never want to say anything bad about it.
Yeah.
They never want to. They say it was just the best thing ever. See, that's something that makes a man, a boy into a man. But I've always believed. Now they have to go through the extent that you went through, because that was a lot. But I believe what makes a man is what he goes through. I think every man goes through one hurricane season in their life. Yes. Like where it's like you can't see what's up, you're all at the bottom, you don't know what to do, and see like nothing has happened and something bad happens. I think every man goes through that at least once in their life. And that's what makes a man out of him, to see what's gonna happen next.
I agree.
See, so that was your hurricane. That was like,
man, I had many hurricanes, but that hurricane was like, man, that was like a 5 category hurricane. God,
but it show you what type of man you are. Like stood up, like I get through it. All right, so now I'm good. But I know what they I ain't gonna put no words in your mouth. But I know you value life more now.
Man, yes.
I know you value life.
Yes. What? Man, please, man. Somebody tell me. First of all, take that vaccine. I'm gonna say you crazy.
Yeah, so do it. So you been there.
Yeah, I've been
You've been there.
Did you hear what I said at the beginning? I said I'm testing myself as a guinea pig.
Yeah.
And for some reason, I was the one out of the whatever number.
Yeah, because it's probably like 1 in 1,000 chance, or 1 in a million chance that would happen. It happened to you.
Not even a million, probably 1,000.
And it happened to you.
Yeah, and it happened to me.
And you a young guy. It's not like you 80-some years old. Oh. You was fairly healthy. You were healthy, yeah. So it didn't matter about your health or nothing, did it?
It didn't matter about none.
See, it had about nothing. See, I'm always leery about it. That's me and the wife, we didn't take it, to tell you the truth, because it didn't make sense to us. So we prayed on it, and we was like, no, I can't take that jab. So we didn't. And you talk about the scrutiny and the alienation from our family.
Man, I'll tell you about that too.
Man, the alienation. You know, it's like, I thought they love me. I'm like, bro, I'm your family. Why you dogging me?
They became an agent, like from the Matrix.
It's wild. They do a 1.5 minute break and we'll go again. But that's how it was. Like, they didn't want to be around me. I was like, why you want to take it?
Yeah, you're a killer. You're a murderer.
Yeah. What is it? What have to do anything? What are you talking about? It was weird. And we caught it, but we still caught the COVID. The vid. It lasted about 5 days. It went away.
And they said that if you take that jab, you're not going to get COVID.
That's a lie.
Lie to everybody.
What was the conspiracy on that? That's why I like these talks. Why did they come up with that? It's still a lot of answers, because now, 2025, nobody talks about it anymore.
Nobody talks about it.
All of a sudden, it's just gone.
Under the rug.
So now, what was the angle?
I don't know. From what I researched, there was a lot of billionaires were made during that time.
Yeah.
A lot of billionaires were made.
Because of the pharmacy drugs? For the drugs? And the shipping of it and all that. And yeah, a whole bunch.
Well, I researched the government was paying like 75 cents per vaccine to these companies. Every time you get that jab.
75%?
75 cents. I could be wrong with that number, but from what I researched, 75 cents.
And they were making that much.
They were making that much, man.
See, I don't know. Millionaires were made, but I think that it was conspiracy. Not only that, was to make us stay in the house. It was to see, I think it was a test, to see if we do something like that, how many people would listen to us. And it showed that I think we brainwashed.
Man, big time.
I think that whatever you see on the news, you 100% be like it's 100% real, and it controls the masses. They can say right now it's a leopard disease or something like that, or something. And if you don't stay in the house and take this jab within a month, you're gonna die. If they did that, it was serious about it on CNN, ABC, whatever it is. I guarantee you, 75 to 80% people will listen to it. Out of nowhere, just made it up. I think partially that's what it was. A partial to see if we can control them.
Yeah, I believe.
And it was easy.
It was. People staying in the house. Don't come over here, my brother or sister, because you're going to kill my baby or kill my mama or our mama. Our mama, you're going to kill our mama. You say I can't see my mama for 2 years? Get out of here.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't get that because they looked at the numbers and it was like there was still during the whole time of COVID, it was still people dying from regular flu than the COVID. Mm-hmm. So you'll not be around people because they have the flu?
Yeah.
After seeing things like that, I'm not stupid. That doesn't sound I'm stupid. It's just I have common sense. It's like
common sense.
I'm like, if I get sick, I mean, we'll take some medicine. If we fine, and then we'll just keep on going, and then boom.
Yeah.
I don't get that.
Yeah.
So I ain't like it. That's why we didn't take it, and we just left it alone. So I mean,
good thing you didn't take it.
No,
shoot.
But hey, I mean, it's cool for during the time. I think none of us had 100% sure what was gonna happen. So ain't no blame on you.
Look, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
When they started saying we gonna give you a burger or pizza,
that's crazy.
And all that for taking it, man, come on, man.
That's when it got it. I was like, why you want me to take this so bad? Why, bro? You know you robbing me? No, bro. No. And I almost got fired from my job when I was working because I didn't take it.
Crazy.
It was like, you can't be in here. I was like, why? It's my body. If I want to take it, you can't make me take it. Why are you gonna make me take it? Mm-hmm. Like, oh, you can't work here. Like, why? You can't do that, bro. Mm-hmm. So
and then the fact that if you do get an injury from that mRNA, what they call a vaccine, which is not a vaccine.
Yeah.
You couldn't even sue the pharmaceutical company.
Nope. At all.
So what was that about? Yeah.
When you sit back and think about it, it's like, bro, this world is wicked, man. We live in a wicked world, man. Very wicked world. Yeah, but y'all talked about it. You say we don't do names, but you are a father. Congrats. And our question on that is, I had to ask the dads, man. How do you stay so physically fit and not look like them regular dad bods and looking all sloppy and nasty and say, I ain't got time? But you do make the time to focus on your physical health, man. How you do that? I gotta know, cause I ain't no dad yet. How you do it? How you stay in shape?
Wake up earlier than everybody else.
Okay.
Get your workout in.
What about the guys? I ain't got time.
Man, shut up. Shut up.
I don't feel like it, man. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it.
Hey, then stay looking like that. That's all I can say. Stay looking like that then.
I know they look at you.
What did God give us? Willpower. To do anything you want.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it. That means you feel like not doing nothing. You don't want to take control.
You did.
You could take control. So get up early.
Yeah.
5:30, maybe not even that. 6, 7. Get up early. And get your 30 minutes, that's all you need. Maybe 15 minutes, that's all you need.
So all these 15, 30 minutes, all you need.
And just grind 15 minutes and you'll be good. 6 months, you start 30 days to 90 days, you'll start seeing results. From there, you get addicted. Like, okay, I see what's happening.
So you ain't got to be in the gym for an hour and a half and being a bodybuilder. You ain't got to do all that.
No. My personal experience, no. At the beginning, I was doing 100 push-ups a day.
And you know, I think y'all know. They know your styles. Give them a dad bod is watching now. Say all you got is Monday through Friday. What each day? What would you do for a dad bod or a man that's saying that they lazy? A 5-day workout.
Look,
what's some Fridays? Mondays what?
I would say, man, look, Monday through Friday.
Okay.
Same routine.
Okay.
100 push-ups.
All right.
Break it down into five sets.
Okay.
Right. 20 reps. First normal. Second diamond.
Okay.
Third wide.
Hit all the chest.
Fourth pseudo.
Get the pseudos. Get the
shoulders. Right.
Okay.
And then bench.
Dips to get the triceps.
Yeah, that's
all right.
it.
Okay.
Yeah. And I would say more like 120 reps. So maybe 6 sets and get the pike push-ups. So you hit
all push. Okay.
Yeah, all push. And then maybe 100 squats, easy. And then my favorite was doing 300 crunches. But for y'all beginners,
yes, beginner, yeah.
100 crunches a day. So you got 300 reps doing all that, maybe 320 reps. And then shoot.
So basically, the groups you're hitting is pushing, which is chest, push-ups, get the legs, your legs squatting, and then crunches.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all you need. That's full body.
At the beginning. See, I did that at the beginning, and then I added pull-ups later on when I was like feeling more confident.
Yeah, because one of the pull-ups is hard. I've seen cock diesel dudes like this. They got 220 and they bench pressing 315, but can't get 5 to 7 pull-ups. So that's one of the hardest things is a pull-up.
It is hard.
It gotta be.
Look, let me tell you something. At the beginning when I started, I could only do 3, not even pull-ups. Chin-ups.
Yeah, chin-ups are easier.
Yeah,
chin-ups are easier. Yeah,
and I was doing them half. It was good, man. It was random.
On the stopping. What's up, boss?
How you doing, man? How you doing?
How you feeling, boss? Giovanni, man. How you feeling, man?
Yeah. How are you?
Oh, chilling, man.
Yeah,
you get some work in today?
Going.
Oh, you good, man? You good? Oh, you good, man? We get some work in today?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's get to the second round. We got muscle ups. This is a fan favorite, man. Breakdown. I gotta see your breakdown. Everybody got different ways to do muscle up. Let me give a few steps on a muscle up, man, for them young boys out here that's trying to get this muscle up. What's sort of style is this? We gotta chop this up.
If you're a beginner,
okay,
how I was doing it before, I was doing them with Kip. Okay, right? I was doing them like this.
Kick it up.